Hello students, hello everyone. This is senior college mathematics. Topic of discussion is algebraic process. If you are in SS1, SS2, SS3, you are preparing for WAEC, for NECO, for GC, for NAPTEP, for JAMB or any other external exams into high school, anywhere, this topic, this lesson is for you, and the best place to be is PetakusEducation community. Lesson 12, Substitution in Algebraic Expressions 2. Substitution in Algebraic Expressions 2. So lesson 12 is the continuation of lesson 11. Okay, and we look at the second type. Said the second type is such that you solve for the value to be substituted under given conditions, and we have two conditions: undefined expressions and expressions equal to 0. So the first aspect is undefined expressions. Consider an expression of the form P of S over Q of S. So this expression is said to be undefined if the denominator term is equated to 0. That is, QS equal to 0. So if QS equal to 0, this will enable you to find the term to be substituted. Then expressions equal to 0. Expressions equal to 0 are obtained if the numerator is equated to, that is, P of S equal to 0. So if the numerator P of S is equated to 0, you have expressions equal to 0. But if the denominator Q of S is equated to 0, you have undefined expression. Undefined expressions. Okay? Examples. Before that, for updates, follow Voice of Petakus via YouTube at PetakusEduCom. To do that, subscribe to this channel, like and share this video to your friends, to your colleagues, your classmates. Facebook, fb.me/PetakusEduCom, Instagram at PetakusEC, Telegram t.me/PetakusEduCom. In all of these platforms, you get updated from time to time about what is happening at PetakusEducation community, where you have access to quality, unlimited, and simplified mathematics teachings in series. Example 64. For what value or values of S is the expression S squared minus 4S minus 22 over S plus 11 not defined? That is undefined. Now, before the solution, let's use common sense here now. You want to find out, no, for this expression to be undefined, it means that the numerator must be 0, because you cannot divide anything by 0. Now that you have S plus 11, what do you think S will assume such that the denominator become 0? So S must be minus 11. So to get minus 11, you have to equate S plus 11 to 0, which you have here. So you have simple linear equation. If you collect like terms, you have S equal to 0 minus 11. If you move plus 11 this way, it becomes minus 11, and you have S equal to minus 11. So the expression will remain undefined as long as S is equal to minus 11. So if you want to avoid that, means s can be any other number except minus 11. Minus 11. Example 65. Find the value of s for which minus s plus 5 equal to 3s plus 6 is equal to 0. This one is not undefined. If it is equal to 0, you equate the numerator to 0. So you have minus s plus 5 equal to 0. If you collect like terms, you have minus s equal to 0 minus 5, and minus s is equal to minus 5. If you multiply through by minus 1, you have s equal to 5. So as long s is equal to 5, the expression will be 0, because if you put 5 in place of s in the expression, you have minus 5 plus 5 all over 3 into 5 plus 6. So you have 0 over 15 plus 6, that is 0 over 21, and that is 0. So as long as s is equal to 5, the expression minus 5s plus 5 all over 3s plus 6 will always be 0. Okay. Now, due to other factors, we'll stop this lesson here, but note that more complex examples will be taken in subsequent lessons, precisely in algebraic fraction. So watch out for that topic, algebraic fractions. End of lesson 12. Thanks for watching and learning with PetakusEduCom community. Don't forget, watch out for more from the voice of Petakus. For questions, inquiry, you can contact the voice of Petakus via this WhatsApp number or through the email address. For the complete package of this topic, algebraic process, lesson 1 to 15, you can also contact him. At a very little token, you get the complete package delivered to you. If you are not safe, your life will be in crisis. To avoid that, you give your life to the Lord Jesus Christ, because he is the only one that has the power to save anyone. If you are saved already, I tell you, big congratulations. Live righteously and be prepared, because on that day, some will be taken and some will be left. Take good care of yourself. Stay out of trouble. Do the needful at all times. Stay well. Read your books. And goodbye for now.